tried carnivore and wondered why it seems like everyone else is having success, but you feel awful on it? Welcome to Loving Life Over 50, where we toss diet culture in the trash and talk real solutions that work, especially for women who have been sold every lie under the sun when it comes to diet and weight loss. Today we're talking carnivore, and I'm going to say something bold. Carnivore doesn't fail you. Most people fail carnivore. And it's not your fault. The internet is full of bro science, steak selfies, and one-size-fits-all advice. But our bodies, they are not built like a 30-year-old gym bro. So today I am breaking down exactly why this diet might not be working for you and how to fix it using science, strategy, and yes, a little bit of sarcasm because that's the way that I roll. And life is better with a little laugh now and then. So let's go. First, let's define what carnivore diet actually is, because this is where confusion often starts, right at the gates. It's not just eating meat and hoping for the best. It's a zero-carb, animal-based way of eating that typically includes ruminant meats like beef, lamb, and bison. It also includes egg, fish, and organ meats, although organ meats are not a must. Animal fats like tallow, butter, and suet. Optional things include dairy, but many don't tolerate it well. So what it's not chicken breast eaten 3 times a day, eating 800 calories, and wondering why you want to eat your own couch. And it's not a crash diet disguised as healing. The point of carnivore isn't really weight loss. It's a metabolic reset, hormone reset, gut healing. It's about removing inflammatory foods and letting your body finally do what it's supposed to do. But only if you get the basics right. Yes, weight loss will come, but healing comes first. Now let's address the fat fear that keeps you stuck, because this is where most people go completely wrong. If you've been told for years that fat will kill you, make you fat, clog your arteries, and maybe even turn your dog against you, and now I'm here telling you to slather butter on your steak, I totally get it. You're understandably confused. But here's the science. Your brain is 60% fat. Your hormones are made from cholesterol. Your body needs dietary fat to switch into fat-burning mode, aka ketosis. If you go carnivore and stick to lean meats like chicken breast, sirloin, and turkey, you're basically eating protein with no fuel, and your body can't run on protein alone. You'll crash harder than I did after my first kickboxing class in 2001. So here's what happens. Without fat, your energy tanks, your mood dips because fats regulate neurotransmitters. You get hungry and hangry constantly. So you end up overeating protein, which turns into glucose via gluconeogenesis, say that 5 times fast, raising insulin and kicking you out of fat-burning mode. Translation, you're eating steak like it's chicken and wondering why your pants still don't fit. Now on to how to fix it. Go for fatty cuts. Think ribeye, chuck roast, short ribs, sardines, salmon, egg yolks, and yes, add extra butter. If your meat squeaks when you chew it, add fat. Next, are you eating enough?